That's Sam.
Yeah.
There's Alex. And here comes Ben. You guys just need to storm Alex. There's two of you. He's hurt.
He's going.
Ben's smart. Here comes Ben. Good job, Ben. Hop on up here.
Or just stay right there. Hey.
Wait till he comes around. Stay there. Stay there. Don't let him see your gun. Don't let him see your gun.
He'll run up in here in a minute.
Yeah, just wait for him. Come on, Alex, they're over there.
No, one of them's right there.
No, there's nobody right here.
You are.
Come around then. Come up here. Come up here. Come, Alex, come up here. Use the wall. You're not gonna fall for it. Alex. Flank him, Ben. Aha! Oh! Why did you miss out? You should have gone after him.
Dude, he was loading his gun. I was like, man, watch out. Alex was gonna kill him because he had his head down, and he was like, Philip, he had his magazine out of his gun.
What do you think, Mike?
I think this is crazy.
Yeah.
I think we ought to get him home pretty soon.
Oh, he's putting the hurt on him.